Nigga, I been that nigga since a little ass boy.
YouTube, what's the deal? Giving you guys an update on the merch. I don't know if you've been keeping updated with my channel and everything like that. You'll know what I've been trying to do or what I've been trying to get done with the merch. I was trying to make sure it was 100% right before I put it out there like that. I had to just make a few adjustments on making sure that the quality was good, the material was good and everything like that. So I finally got that all situated. So I like how it look. Hope you guys like it too. This is just me just giving back and showing you guys that I appreciate the support that you guys give me. We're gonna continue to grow more. We're gonna continue to elevate and we're gonna continue to grow together, man. So like I said, it's just really just me just giving you guys more for the subscribing, watching the channel, all of y'all who watch the channel, support it, like, comment, subscribe, all of that type of stuff. It's just me giving back to you guys. It's just my token of appreciation, on top of me just wanting you guys to be a part of this movement that we got going on, man. So like I said, even if you don't got a Scat Pack or a Charger or any Mopar car, you still can be a part of the Big Scat family, man. It don't matter what type of car you got. You can have any car. Big Scat is just doing bigger and better things, you know what I'm saying? Growing and really just making more progress than what you made the day before. So if it was something you wanted to get done on your car or something you wanted to happen in your life and you wasn't able to happen that day, but you've been making progress on making it happen, then that's big. We consider that big. So that's Big Scat. You taking something small and making it into something big. So that's really what the Big Scat about. Like I said, you can have any type of car. It's no discrimination if you got a Mopar car or not, if you got a Charger or not, if you got a HELLCAT or not, if you got a Ford Taurus, man, you know, you still can be a part of the Big Scat family. Just so support, because it's a lot of meaning behind it. Like I said, I started from, I think my first car probably was I believe my first car probably was a 1995 Buick Regal. That was my first car I ever had. And then after that, I just started getting a whole bunch of cars ever since then. And I just started elevating. I just started getting better and better cars, newer cars, better looking cars and stuff like that. So, I mean, you got to start somewhere, and I started somewhere. So, you know, this is for people who don't got no car and people who trying to get a car. It's just motivation to let you know you can get there just with a little hard work and dedication, and you'll get there. Let me start this video up. But yeah, man, so you know, this is for everybody. We all a family in this, so that's pretty much what it's about. My merch is buy one get one free. Like I said, I am working on getting my site up and running, but in the meantime, you can DM me on Instagram at Federal Vibes, FEDERAL.vibes, VIBES. That's my Instagram. It's also in my description in my videos. You'll see my Instagram link in there. You can hit me up on there, send me a direct message, comment on the picture, let me know you're trying to get some merch. And if you're local, I give it to you. If you're not local, I ship it out to you. So you can also hit me up on my channel as well. So comment up on one of my posts or one of my videos. I got my business email address in my description as well, so you can send me an email directly. You know, I want to make sure everybody get the merch, so I don't care where you at, I'm gonna get the merch to you. You know what I'm saying? So I do got hold on, so I can try to show you guys this merch, man. I gotta get it out the bag. Hold on. So put this on the floor. So this is some of the merch. Let me open this up. Hold on. I'm using two hands, man. So Big Scat, as you can see, dope, smooth, clean look, gray and white. Turn around on the back. I got the BS on the middle, which stands for Big Scat. I got it in all sizes. I got it in all colors. You know, so if you don't want gray, I got it in multiple colors, man. So any color you can think of that you like, I have. I also have it in multiple sizes. You can get the plain look, navy blue and white, Big Scat, clean. Still got the BS on the back. I'll show y'all one more color, man. I guess this color as well. It's like a maroon, I believe, or some type of burgundy. Feel good, good material. BS on the back as well. So I got a whole bunch of colors, man. You know what I'm saying? So nobody is left out. I got all sizes. I got all colors. And like I said, they are buy one, get one free. So I got some prototypes that I made, and those are free. So if you buy one, then you're gonna get one for free, man. You know, that's me showing you guys that I appreciate you guys, man. That's pretty much all it is, showing you guys that I appreciate you guys by giving you guys buy one, get one free merch, man. So my car is getting picked up tomorrow for me to go out of town. I'm getting it shipped there. So I won't have it until I land in Texas. So try to meet with a few people out there and stuff like that, man. So to me, just giving you guys just some little information and some little update on stuff and stuff like that, man. So stay locked in, man. Stay motivated, stay grinding, stay determined. Surround yourself around good people, and you'll get to wherever you need to go, man.
You won any shows, like any trophies with it? No. Have you
only thing when I first got the car, as you can see the original color is red.
Right.
When I first got the car, I got it for the bathroom because I live in Belleville and I was working downtown 5 days a week.
Oh yeah.
So I was like, I need something like that. So I got it.
Out here at this little car meet, man. Networking. You see the scat over there looking crazy.
Trying to fly with it.
Right.
One bump and I'm just waiting, like I said, I'm just waiting on my floors to get here so that there's gonna be a hole there.
I like the seats in here too, though.
You did all the custom work yourself?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, that's good shit.
I like the rims, though. I got mine's gold. Mine's just like this color. It may be a little lighter for mine. Maybe the same color though.
Oh, okay.
Maybe the same color though. Yeah, I like those.
I might get them. I'm thinking about getting them wrapped. I was just gonna go ahead and get it painted, but
I got mine's powder coated. It was gloss black, and I got them powder coated.
Okay.
A guy in Oxford did mine's.
well, I'm trying to figure out if I want to get it powder coated or not. But it's like I want like a metallic gold. I'm like,
Okay,
ain't
okay.
no powder coat now.
Yeah, I don't know about that color, but it's going straight though.
I actually did fine. I was gonna go ahead and do what my cousin did out in Cali. He put.
Oh, Brandon. Yo! Oh, he took it off. Wow!
Right when you was about to get the shot though.
Damn! Hey, that was too quiet! Oh, they all together. That was too quiet!
You smell great. That's the perfect setting.
I like the boy, man. What's up, man?
You like it?
Yeah, I like the boy though. It's color bright too.
The name perfect.
Yeah, violent. Yeah, that boy's great though.
Whip that bitch.
We got the sprites coming out through that boy's coming through the side.
So small in there.
It is though. It is though. Got all the bits and shit right here.
Yeah, the Vipers that back in.
That orange one straight too though.
How are you?
Real shit.
No tires on the front. You know he be burning this boy.
Manual too.
Yup.
White one over here.
Oh.
Like this one?
Yeah, it's the official SRT joint.
Yeah. Yeah, that was
And these
straight.
bitches still go for 100.
Yeah, he went straight though.
Oh,
Shit wide,
look
shit.
at this, dog.
Shit is though.
Damn.
That shit crazy. That's crazy though. He really got it. It is though. Let's see, I see you trying to record too. That's crazy, ain't it? Don't let that bitch run over your feet, bro. That's crazy. What the person that controlling it though?
The
Back there? Okay. That's crazy.
You just turned it off?
Power on. That's crazy.
That bitch start clapping.
That's crazy. He drove it all the way down here. I know, right? That's crazy.
So it doesn't matter if I'm there or not, right?
You were just afraid they'd abandon you. So you abandoned them? You distanced yourself from the whole thing.
Got mighty wings. I'm like, oh, straight? He's like, everybody else seen this shit, their old boy dead, whatever. He had his little red out there and shit like that, so it was cool.
Yeah, he know all the people up there. I went up there, they bought some merch for me. Cause I got the merch too though, that's a good thing you wanna get, you know, you ain't gotta get it right now, but I got the merch going. So they bought a shirt for me and shit like that. And I said it's good.